Spring is in the air, and what better way to welcome the season than with a stunning wreath for your front door? But with so many styles and materials to choose from, how do you find the perfect wreath for your home? Should you go for fresh flowers, faux greenery, or something completely unique? If you've been looking for creative and easy ways to decorate with spring wreaths, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 gorgeous spring wreath decoration ideas that will instantly brighten up your space. Stick around until the end because I have some unique and unexpected ideas you won't want to miss.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are some classic spring wreath ideas? Classic spring wreaths bring a timeless charm to any entryway. One of the most popular choices is a floral wreath featuring fresh or artificial blooms like tulips, hydrangeas, or peonies. These flowers symbolize spring and add vibrant color to your decor. Another elegant option is a simple greenery wreath made with eucalyptus or boxwood. It provides a fresh, natural look that pairs well with almost any home style. For a traditional touch, a grapevine wreath decorated with pastel ribbons and seasonal flowers gives a rustic yet refined look to your front door. If you love these timeless styles, make sure to like and share this video so others can find the perfect spring wreath for their home too. How can I make a DIY spring wreath? Creating your own wreath allows you to personalize your decor and get creative. One easy DIY option is using a foam or grapevine wreath base and attaching artificial flowers with a hot glue gun. This lets you mix and match colors and textures for a unique design. Another fun DIY idea is a ribbon-wrapped wreath, where you wrap a foam ring with colorful or patterned fabric and add small floral accents or bows. For a more natural look, you can create a dried flower wreath by using pressed flowers, lavender, and dried wheat for a boho-inspired earthy design. Got a favorite DIY idea? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're excited to try. What are the best floral choices for a spring wreath? The right flowers can make all the difference in your wreath's final look. Tulips are a classic choice that adds softness and elegance to any wreath. Hydrangeas create a full, lush effect, making your wreath look more abundant and eye-catching. Peonies and roses bring a touch of romance and sophistication to your front door. while wildflowers like daisies and lavender add a more rustic farmhouse-style charm. Want to explore more floral combinations? Check the description for a full playlist of spring floral decor videos. How can I make a spring wreath stand out? If you want your wreath to be a true showstopper, a few small details can make all the difference. Adding decorative elements like butterflies, birds, or small wooden signs with messages like "Welcome Spring" instantly elevates your design. Using a mix of textures such as burlap, lace, or twine along with flowers gives the wreath more depth and personality. Another way to make it stand out is by choosing an asymmetrical design, where flowers and greenery are concentrated on one side of the wreath instead of a full circle arrangement. Want more unique decor ideas? Check the description for similar videos on creative spring decorations. What are some budget-friendly spring wreath ideas? You don't have to spend a fortune to have a beautiful spring wreath. One of the easiest ways to save money is by shopping at discount stores or dollar stores for artificial flowers and supplies. Repurposing materials like an old embroidery hoop or a wire hanger as a wreath base is another great way to create something unique without extra cost. If you have a garden, using freshly picked greenery and flowers can make a gorgeous natural wreath for free. Love budget-friendly home decor tips? Subscribe now for more DIY and decorating ideas. How can I incorporate a spring wreath into my indoor decor? Spring wreaths aren't just for front doors, they can be used inside your home too. Hanging a wreath above a fireplace mantle adds a fresh and welcoming seasonal touch to your living room. Using a wreath as a table centerpiece by placing it around a candle or a vase makes for an elegant dining table setup. Another creative idea is hanging a smaller wreath on a mirror or cabinet door to bring a hint of spring to unexpected places. Looking for the perfect indoor wreath setup? Check the description for links to shop my favorite spring wreath accessories. What are some trendy spring wreath ideas for this year? If you want your wreath to feel modern and stylish, consider trying some of this year's trending designs. Minimalist wreaths with simple eucalyptus branches and neutral-colored flowers create a sleek and elegant look. Boho-inspired wreaths with dried pampas grass, macrame, or neutral tones bring a trendy yet earthy feel. Another stylish option is a hoop wreath, where a metal or wooden hoop is decorated with greenery and flowers on just one side for a contemporary, asymmetrical look. Love keeping up with decor trends? Click the link in the description to shop the latest trending spring wreaths. How can I make a spring wreath weatherproof for outdoor use? If you're placing a wreath outside, making it weather-resistant is key. Choosing artificial flowers and UV-protected greenery ensures that your wreath won't fade in the sun. Using a waterproof adhesive when assembling the wreath helps keep everything in place, even in rainy or windy conditions. Adding a clear spray sealant over the entire wreath can provide an extra layer of protection against the elements. Want a durable outdoor wreath? Check the description for the best weatherproof spring wreaths available. How can I store my spring wreath for next year? To keep your wreath looking beautiful for seasons to come, proper storage is essential. Using a wreath storage container or a large plastic bag keeps it dust-free and protected from damage. Hanging the wreath inside a closet or placing it in a labeled storage box ensures that it stays in perfect condition. Keeping it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight prevents fading or deterioration over time. Want more home organization tips? Hit that subscribe button for the best seasonal decor storage ideas. What are some unique wreath alternatives for spring? If you love the idea of a spring wreath but want something a little different, there are plenty of creative alternatives. A floral door basket filled with fresh or faux flowers offers the same seasonal charm with a unique twist. A monogram wreath using your family's initial wrapped in greenery and flowers adds a personalized touch. Another fun alternative is a fabric or yarn wreath, which gives a soft, cozy look that's perfect for indoor or outdoor decor. Excited to try a unique wreath alternative? Check the description for links to shop creative spring wreath designs. Spring is here, and your porch is the perfect place to welcome the new season. But how do you make it feel fresh, inviting, and bursting with spring vibes? Should you go for floral arrangements, cozy seating, or pastel color palettes? If you're looking for creative and stylish ways to refresh your porch this spring, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 stunning spring porch decoration ideas that will instantly transform your space into a seasonal retreat. Stick around until the end, because you won't want to miss the finishing touches that pull everything together.